Good morning, friends. My name is Sachin Katkar, and today video topic is abstraction and encapsulation. Java is an object-oriented programming language, and it follows OOPS concept. The OOPS concept include classes, object, polymorphism, inheritance. There are two other features of OOPS, that is abstraction and encapsulation. They both seem very similar but totally different in concept implementation. The major difference between abstraction and encapsulation is that abstraction hits the code completely while encapsulation hides the internal working from the outside world. In this section, we will be discuss abstraction and encapsulation and the difference between abstraction and encapsulation in the Java. Abstraction, it is the features of OOPS. It is used to hide the unnecessary information or data from the user but shows essential data that is useful for the user. It can be achieved by using the interface and the abstract class. It in interface only the methods are exports to the exports to the exports to the end user. The best example of abstraction is a TV remote. The user only enters within the outer interface that is nothing but keys. The user only knows which keys to press for what function. Let's understand the abstraction through Java programming. Encapsulation, it is also features of OOPS. It is used to bind up the data into the single unit called class. It provides the mechanism which is known as data handling. It is an important feature of OOPS. It prevents to access data members from the outside of the class. It is also necessary from the security point of the views. The account, let's understand the abstraction through in Java programming language. The difference between abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction is features of OOPS that hides of unnecessary detail but shows essential information. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is also features of OOPS. It hides the codes and data into single entity or unit so that the data can be protected from the outside world. It solves an issues at the design level. Encapsulation solves as issues implementation level. It in abstraction, its focus on the external lockout. It focus to the internal lockout. It can be implementation using abstract class and interpreters. It can be implementation by using access modifier, public, private, protected. Thank you.